Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Elevenlabs' unusual activity problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your web browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From there, go into Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, use the search bar to look for cookies. Then select Third-Party Cookies. After that, click on Site Data and Permissions. In this section, use the search bar to look for Elevenlabs. When it appears, click on the recycle bin icon next to it. You'll see a message saying that you'll be signed out of the site and that any offline data will be deleted. Simply confirm by clicking Delete. Once the site data is cleared, go back and sign in to Elevenlabs again. It's highly recommended to sign in using your Google account, as this is the safest and most reliable option and usually fixes the unusual activity issue right away. If the problem still doesn't go away, there's another option you can try. Click on Upgrade within Elevenlabs and choose a subscription plan. Select the plan you want and complete the payment. After upgrading, the unusual activity detected error should no longer appear on your account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Elevenlabs' unusual activity problem. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks. See you in